The reason why everyone's addicted to their phones or watching TV or playing video games or gambling or doing drugs or just generally distracting yourself is because we have this really deep primordial need to avoid the present moment. We always need to distract ourselves because we need to avoid looking within. We need to avoid fully feeling what's actually going on inside ourselves, because we just don't have the capacity or the capability to see and witness what is happening inside of us with neutral awareness. We're always judging. We're always fighting against. We're always battling. We're always making a judgment about what's going on inside our body, inside our emotions, inside our minds. So we have this deep primordial tendency, this deep tendency to avoid what's going on right now in the present moment. And this leads to this constant addictive cycle, this constant cycle of distraction, this constant cycle of looking away, needing something to entertain us. But this cycle is exhausting. Whew, it's so exhausting. It's draining. It causes a lot of anger. It causes you to hate yourself. It causes you to hate your family and your loved ones. And it's just generally not really the way to live. This is sort of what the Buddhists called suffering, right? So what the Buddhists said thousands of years ago, what I discovered on my journey, because I was addicted to everything when I was younger. Sometimes I am still, but what I discovered is that the Buddhists taught this thing called meditation. What that means is, again, whatever you think about, it doesn't really matter. What it is meditation is literally just not avoiding. So if everything you're doing is just like avoiding, looking away, distracting, doing something else, meditation is the consistent practice of actually paying full attention to everything that's going on inside your body, your mind, your thoughts, okay, your emotions, etc. Paying full neutral awareness, loving awareness, unconditional love, shining unconditional love on all parts of yourself and on all parts of the present moment. Unconditional love for all sounds, for all sights, for all tastes, for all smells, for all feelings. Not pushing away and not pulling towards you, just being present in all of these things. This is what allows you to cultivate a wholesome state of mind where you don't feel the need to distract yourself constantly anymore, to run away from your life. You can cultivate this sort of dignity and this almost healthy kind of pride where you can actually be fully present. You can almost as you're sitting on your cushion, for example, it's like you're sitting on your throne. It's like you can actually be a dignified human being that's able to sit up straight and to fully and completely face every single form, every single feeling or thought that actually arises within your awareness, within your being, and to be kind to it, to give it unconditional love and not to push it away.